Hey guys, so what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready for vacation kind of thing because I have to do all these things before vacation, you know, get my nails done, hair done, maybe pack, and I just wanted to film it. So right now I'm going to get my nails done. Here's the before. Ugly as freaking crap. I have to get acrylics like every other girly. Everybody loves their fake nails unless you're blessed with like really long nails and you're just so cute, but I'm not. Anyways, let's go. Hey guys, I didn't film this in my car because it literally started pouring rain as soon as I left, but anyways, let's cue the montage. So now I'm about to go to Target and I'm gonna get a Starbucks because I haven't had one all day. It's time. So let's go on an adventure. Come on. Hi guys, just got back from the Target. I'm gonna show you what I got. Cotton rounds, face mask, squinties, eraser, deodorant. This little book. I got a drugstore concealer, and then this is the shampoo I got. I've never tried this before, but it looks cool. It's like square, what? Anyway, it's new, so I wanted to try it out, so that's that. You didn't watch that part, did you? No. Hey guys, oh, I got my hair lightened. I don't know if you can tell, and it's like, I just like how it makes it, and I also got my brows done, but I didn't want to film in there, okay? There was like just a couple other people in there, and they would be like, what are you doing? So I just want to take my makeup off so I can prep for this next activity. By the way, I use these towelettes because literally the best thing ever for sensitive skin. Hey, I just washed my face. I was just gonna take off my makeup, then do this, and then I was like, that's wrong. Get it together. Today I got this face mask, but it's this Spa Life pH balancing natural extract. So the point of this is before vacation, you really just need your skin to look right. So I'm gonna leave this on here for 15 minutes probably.
Can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got.
This is like really annoying. So I've already packed all of my sleepwear, bras, underwear, socks, and like a hoodie. I have to choose which outfits I want to wear, and here's my shorts that I'm going to pair up with those shirts. Also, I went shopping the other day. This looks bad, but oh, here's all the outfits. This is like a stack of outfits right here that I have picked out, and I'm like, I'm literally going for 4 days. I can't stand the thought of being somewhere without something I may need. Baggy shorts with this black tube top that I haven't worn yet, and then I just went shopping again recently, so here's kind of like part of a haul. But this top from American Eagle, and I'm gonna pair it with these pants that look like everybody's pants that are from Brandy Melville. I don't know, but they're more baggy and they go down farther. Next outfit, this top, it ties. It's super cute on, and I like the flare on the sleeves. To go with that, I got a white jean skirt, and then this is just those long pants and the shirt from Forever 21. It was in my haul, if you watch that, if you keep up with me. So I have a pair of jean shorts. This is like a light wash. Either just this orange, yellow tank, or most likely this yellow shirt because it's super cute. It has stripes. Then I'm taking white shorts, and I have like 4 different blue shirts to choose from. If you want to see these outfits, follow me on Instagram. It's Hannah @ Whitlock. I'll be posting my outfits on there if you really want to see it. And yeah, thanks. I just got done packing and this literally won't shut. Ignore my hair, but that's my video. I'm not gonna film any more of me. I'm just gonna put my makeup together and then my hair and shampoo, but I'm doing that all tomorrow morning before we go. So yeah, stay tuned for a beach travel vlog kind of thing. If you want to, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and yeah, bye guys.